This tutorial will introduce the concept of notes and comments in Visualizer 3.0. Notes and comments in Visualizer is a feature that promotes collaboration between designers, peers, and stakeholders by providing the option to document feedback on designs within the tool. Working iteratively and capturing early feedback in the design cycle helps reduce the risk factor of the project considerably. For this tutorial, we will use a basic application with a login form to understand the power of notes. Notes can be captured on a widget and even on a container or form level. On clicking the login button on the screen and navigating to its properties, you will notice a tab named Review. This is where designers can capture notes and feedback from stakeholders. I will document a sample note related to the login button. Visualizer also provides you with the option of capturing notes in rich text format by editing the properties of the text similar to any word processor in the market. You will also find the option of capturing the notes in a tabular format, which can be leveraged to organize notes effectively. Next, I will capture a note on the background image. I will also capture a third note that says remove the Remember Me option from the login screen. At any point in time, I can go back and edit these notes or even delete it by clicking on the delete button found on the top right corner of the note. I can view a summary of all notes captured in a form by clicking on the respective form and viewing the review tab in its properties. I could also capture additional notes, if any, on the form level. Visualizer also provides an option to search for content within the notes by providing the specific keywords in the search text box. In the panel above the canvas, we can see a toggle switch available for badges. Turning the switch on will overlay the forms with notes captured using badges, thereby providing a graphical representation of all associated notes on a form along with the sequence in which they were captured. The notes captured in a project using Visualizer Standard Edition will also be available in the Visualizer Enterprise Edition on importing the project into the Enterprise Edition. Early collaboration with peers and stakeholders is a best practice that is followed in design and development projects. To enable collaboration, I will first publish my project to the Kony Cloud. Next, I will publish the app to the Kony Cloud. On successfully publishing the app to the Kony Cloud, I am provided with a shortcode to view the app on the Visualizer application preview, which I could later share with others for review. As a reviewer, I will go to the Visualizer application preview on a real mobile device and punch in the shortcode of the application. I can see the login screen of the application. Here I have the option of providing comments, if any. I only need to touch the screen with 2 fingers and click on the Create Note option that is seen in the menu. Let me capture a sample comment and post the same to the designer. I also have the option of viewing or editing the comments from the Visualizer application preview. As the designer of this application, I can see all feedback provided by reviewers as notifications in the Visualizer console. The entire list of comments that are provided by the reviewers can be viewed in the Comments tab in the properties of the form. Notice that along with viewing the comments, I also have the option of editing or deleting it. Publishing the project to the cloud will allow all reviewers to view the updated application design along with all the comments associated with the application from other stakeholders. In this process, a designer can share the designs created and collaborate with peers and stakeholders iteratively. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. We hope this tutorial will help you leverage the power of notes and comments to make the entire application design process agile.